are definitely one of those who will be granted. Naalala mo kami yung message?
Surprise birthday party ko sa mga.
It will be the 60th birthday of your mom, no? Wish ba ng mom mo to o ikaw ang may wish?
Mahilig lang po ako mag-surprise.
We're happy to grant your request. Can you open the...
Dear Maria Cristina Alejandre, my garbled heard your wonderful wish to celebrate your mom's 6th birthday. Ayaw at McDonald's. Knowing how significant this is to be able to celebrate with you and making your mom's 60th birthday.
Congratulations.
Very happy to be part of her 60th birthday. This is a wish coming from the heart of her daughter.
With that, you'll be flying to Albay this weekend. We've already arranged everything. So surprise natin yung mom mo.
Nag-wish po si Lina na magkaroon ka ng McDonald's birthday dahil mahal ka daw po dito.
Mami, this is for you and hope na maging memorable po sa'yo. Siyempre, our two great relatives kasi bihira po namin po kami talaga.
The moments together, we make it happen. We create what we imagine. We make it all real. We pursue our dreams. Birthday to you. Last thing done. We work, we play, we learn. We have a lasting.